Hi everyone, it's Matt here from Webbers in Barnstaple. Today I've got a bit of a treat for you guys because I've got this absolutely beautiful 3-bedroom detached bungalow coming to the market. So I thought I'd take the opportunity today, it's a glorious day, to do another video tour. So I'm smashing them out at the moment. So what this property consists of, you're looking at almost a third of an acre plot. It's got plenty of driveway parking. You've got an 18-foot workshop, a separate lodge in the garden. The property itself has been fully renovated throughout by a local builder to a very, very high standard. So it looks absolutely stunning inside. As well as that, the EPC is a B, which is incredible for a detached home. You've got solar panels on both sides, which produce a good amount of income each year. It's got a hell of a lot going for it. Beautiful gardens. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys around. So let's take a look. Right, so as always, I'm just stood outside the front elevation just to start off the video tour. So just ignore the sort of building materials still left behind. There's a skip on the driveway as well. So just ignore that's just excess materials left over. So to start off with, straight away, you can see we've got a sweeping drive here, which provides off-road parking for ample vehicles, potentially a camper van or something like that if someone wanted to. One of the main selling points, in my opinion, you've got a fantastic workshop here, which measures approximately 18 foot. So it's almost the size of a double garage. Although it looks like a workshop, you have got a ramp going up and it's a hard standing. So you could actually get a car in there if you want to. Technically speaking, we cannot call it a garage, but nonetheless, it's an excellent workshop where you could put a car in there if you did want to. So the property itself is number 5, Broad Close Road. So some of you might know it's a very tucked away position up at Sticklepath, just off Old Bedford Road. So you're kind of on the outskirts of Barnstaple here, but still close to plenty of nearby amenities. In terms of location, definitely a sought after place to be. So to start off with as well, you've got quite a good size frontage here, which gives you an excellent degree of privacy. I mean, you're pretty private throughout here anyway. You've not really got many people looking in over you at all. So here, of course, you can see the property itself. So it has been the subject of a complete renovation project by the current owner. So it's cladded throughout. You've got grey UPVC windows, of course, French doors, solar panels on the roof. So for me, it looks a very, very attractive property. Just turning back around on ourselves. So you've got really nice front lawn. And then that's, of course, the end of the drive. So if I just kind of step back slowly, it will just give you an idea what kind of frontage you have here. So really, really nice plot. So what I'm going to do, we'll head on inside and then I'll show you guys around the rear garden just afterwards. So entering into a small porch, we've got instructions here. So I'm going to be a good lad and take my shoes off. So straight away, we're going to step into the main living area. So you've got open plan living here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stand in this corner and show you guys what it looks like. So straight away you can see it's got superb quality. Still got a bit of character about it in my opinion, because it's got the exposed beams across there. It's been really well done throughout. So essentially what you'll find is you've got your kitchen, dining, living area. So really social space, particularly on the daylight today, you can have those patio doors opened out and you've got a really nice quiet position here to enjoy, you know, entertaining family, friends, all that sort of good stuff. So moving across, you've got the kitchen. For me, really, really tastefully done. You've got a slimline radiator, space for range cooker, space for white goods, of course, underlit lighting, and just been really well done. So what I'm going to do as well, I'm just going to stand across here, so it'll give you another aspect of what this room looks like, and of course your living area here as well. And you might have noticed you've got quite a cool stained glass window there, so it's quite a nice little touch. So moving on through, we've got 3 bedrooms here. So to start off with, I'll show you the smallest bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom, which you could still fit a double room in. Of course, been rewired throughout. You've got a new heating system, of course. It's well insulated. As I mentioned earlier, the EPC is a very high B. So I know a lot of people are looking at energy costs for property these days with cost of living going up. This is probably almost as efficient as you're going to get. So that was the 2nd bedroom, just showing you. You've got a lovely 3-piece suite bathroom here with cabinet sink, roll top bath, and the WC just in the corner. Lovely taste of flooring throughout and tiles as well. And last but not least, you've also got the main bedroom. So again, you can see plenty of sockets around. You've got, benefit of this bedroom, you've got French doors, which lead out into the rear garden. So again, nice day like today, it'd be lovely. So you might have noticed as well, you have got an ensuite here. Again, it's been really well thought out. You've got essentially a double shower cubicle with rain top shower, his and her sinks, which is nicely done, and toilet just over there. And the heated towel rail, of course. So if I just come over, I'll show you the flooring. So that's it for inside. I'm just going to walk back through this way. I'll kick my shoes off, put my shoes on, I should say, and then we'll take a look in the rear garden. I've just walked around the side here to get into the garden. So straight away you can see it's a nice sunny plot. It's about 11:30 this morning, so the sun's just coming round. You've got a really nice level lawn here to the back, enjoying complete privacy. You've literally got no one looking in on you, which is great. If I stay quiet for a moment, you'll notice that it's lovely and quiet here as well. So no road noise as such or anything like that. Just going to pan you around from the other corner. And of course, again, you might have noticed the lodge here that's been built. So this actually has light, power and heating. I think I've left it open. There we have. There we go. Perfect. So you've got light, power, you've got heating as well. So this could be a perfect home office if you want space away from the family. Hobbies room, small little gym as such. Really kind of versatile room which could be used for anything as such. So yeah, one of my favourite little additions for this property for sure. Okay guys, that concludes today's video. So as always, thank you very much for watching this tour today. Hope you enjoyed it and you found it quite informative. If there's anything else that I might have missed or you'd like to know, then please do get in touch with us and we'd love to show you around this one. And what I'll do, I'll leave our contact details in this post for you as well. And hopefully we might see some of you very, very soon. So thank you and take care.